갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Diva Secret Organic. If today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. And to my new subscribers, guys, feel free to join the family, play around, jump around, ask questions. We don't snub. I don't snub question. I always reply to your questions, okay? So you're free to ask questions. So guys, in today's video, what are we talking about? What do you have inside your Snow White lotion? What do you have inside your Filipino cream? What do you have inside your Halfcast lotion? Yes. What do you have inside? What do you have inside your Oshe pra lotion? Okay, guys, this topic, I want to address this topic now. I want to address this topic now because I have a lot of students. Yes, I have a lot of people, not students. My students, they do what I teach them. They learn what I teach them. So I have some people that want to learn how to make skincare products. They will first of all to come and ask me question. What do I teach? Is it organic? Is it promising? What do I teach? What do I teach? And I have some people who still come to me and ask me, they want to learn how to make 7 days lightening cream. They want to learn how to make 3 days lightening cream. They want to learn how to make Oshe Pra cream. Do you know what you have inside? And they will still tell you that they want to learn how to make organic cream that lightens in 3 days. Are you kidding me? There is no organic cream that lightens in 3 days. There is no organic cream that even lightens in 2 weeks. No, pure organic, never. It will start to get used to your skin. And it will start to glow your skin from there, before it's going to start its work. And if you're the type that have been using Caro White, if you have been using bleaching cream, and you want to start using organic cream, my darling, you go black. You go black, like say black, and you will say, madam, this your lightening cream is not working. Because why? You have been using inorganic cream, you have been using harsh chemicals on your skin. So if you start using organic cream, it's going to take you to the color as your mama born you, your original color, the one you have before. That organic cream will take you there before it's going to start its own work. It's not going to start from where the Caro White cream stop. Never. Your organic cream can never start working from where your bleaching cream stop working, like where you stop using bleaching cream. That organic cream is going to take you back to your normal color before it's going to start working its own thing on your skin. So what do you have in your Snow White cream? There is nothing like organic Snow White cream. Please, there is nothing like organic Halfcast lotion. There is nothing like organic 3 days whitening cream. There is nothing like organic Oshe Pra cream. Nothing. And there are some people that want fast action cream. You call someone to make fast action cream for you, 3 days fast action cream for you, and if the person make that cream for you and tomorrow you start to have white patches on your skin, dark knuckles on your skin, and you start complaining, like telling the person that your cream spoil my body, why you no go spoil your body? Why you no go spoil your body? You ask for Oshe Pra and they gave you Oshe Pra, you are still complaining. So don't doubt me, guys. We have safe promising, we have dangerous promising. There's a safe promising. Safe promising, you make your base. You make your base, like the base cream, you make it yourself. And you can use that to promise your Snow White, Filipino, and I don't know I don't know how they start giving lotions name. Snow White, Snow White, okay, maybe because there's Snow White powder inside, it's not actually called Snow White, or maybe it will whiten your skin. Okay, Filipino cream, maybe some people added Filipino powder inside and it's not Filipino cream. So I really don't know. I don't know where those names came from. Some will say Arabian. So I really don't know where those names came from. But for me, I believe it's just a selling name, you know, like you want to sell your product, you have to target this, target that to bring more clients, right? So your Snow White cream is not organic, your Filipino cream is not organic, your Halfcast cream is not organic. So don't get confused or trying to confuse the person that is selling those products, or the person that is making those products, or the person that want to teach you how to make products, because you cannot come and you cannot meet me and tell me you want to learn how to make Snow White cream, and you said you want to learn the organic way. Which organic way? No organic way to make Oshepapa cream, no organic way to make Oshepapa oil, no organic way. There must be one thing on one thing, even if the things are not that harsh, even if the things are not that, they are not maybe, okay, there's no hydroquinone inside, yeah, there's no hydroquinone inside, but it's still not organic. So just take notes. Your Snow White cream is not organic, your Filipino cream is not organic. Your Snow White cream, you must add a lot of different serums, different type of whitening oils. Those are the things that actually does the work. And we have some dangerous Snow White cream, dangerous Filipino cream, dangerous all this Arabian cream. You will buy a lightening cream, a finished product, or someone will buy a Caro White cream. It's already a whitening cream. Somebody will buy a Caro White cream, then you will still now be missing it, adding serums, adding more powders. And most of this finished cream that you buy to promote, they already use whitening powders to make those cream. So why adding another whitening powders inside? Man, if I see some YouTubers, like when if they are doing this, are messy, I feel like make I enter inside the place, slap them. Like, what are you doing? Slap them. Inside a Snow White cream, you will see vitamin C powder, you will see niacinamide powder, you will see lactic acid, you will see glycolic acid, you will see this acid, you will, for one skin. Bah. So please take notes. Your Snow White cream, if you're making it the right way, no problem. But if you want to whiten up your skin, you need a Snow White cream, and you're thinking is organic. There is no Snow White cream is 100% organic. In fact, Snow White cream is like 70% inorganic and 30% organic. Maybe for those that are using the base that they make in their house, the base cream that they make themselves, that one will be like 30%. While the inorganic stuff they are going to add to it, that one will be like 70%. So take notes. No 7 days cream that is organic, no 3 days cream that is organic, no Oshepapa that is organic, no Filipino cream that is organic, no Halfcast cream that is organic. So take notes. And for those of you that want to learn how to make products, you want to go for training. If you want to learn or pure organic, be straight. Madam, I want to learn pure organic. If you want to learn promising, be straight. Madam, I want to learn promising. So don't get someone confused. You want to learn organic and you are still saying Snow White cream, you are still saying Filipino cream. Those are not organic cream, because they already mix them with serums and other stuff. Those are not organic cream. Organic cream, even to the water that you use to make it, just the water is still organic. That is what they call 100% organic. So guys, hope you know what you have in your Snow White cream. Snow White cream is not organic. Filipino cream is not organic. Egyptian cream is not organic. These are promised, though you can still promise it the right way that is not going to harm your skin, and you can promise it the bad way that is going to harm your skin, and you start having dark patches, dark knuckles everywhere. You see someone will be making Snow White cream, the person will be putting anti-stretch mark inside. So you don't want to have stretch mark. Why are you using Snow White cream if you don't want to have stretch mark? They will still put anti-dark knuckle cream inside. Then why are you inviting something like, I don't know, you are inviting something that will destroy your skin, and tomorrow you go and meet the person that make that cream for you and say the person destroy your skin. You destroyed your skin by yourself. You destroyed your skin by yourself. So that is it, guys. If you want to do promising, there is a way of doing it the right way that you're still not going to spoil your skin. All those missing acid for someone product. and your body go tell you later when you don't dey hold. Your body go tell you later when you don't dey hold, like seriously. So I hope I'm not talking too much. Yeah, I just want to clear this. People that want to buy my product, you want to buy organic cream and you are telling me to make Snow White cream for you. Sorry, my Snow White cream is inorganic. So if you want to take it, you take it. And if the thing destroy your body tomorrow, don't come to me. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. If you have questions, ask me. Join our online training class. Subscribe to the other YouTube channel, and see you soon in my other next video. Bye.